myself Priti Rangari. I am B.Ed first year student, that is semester 2 student. I have to teach you here physics, and I am taking the topic current electricity of 9th standard. Okay. First, you know what is resistance. Who will tell me the definition of resistance? Resistance means the term which opposes the flow of current through it. Okay. Resistor is the device which opposes the current flow through it. Then it opposes the current flow through it is the resistance. Then there are two types of connections in the resistance. First is the series resistance. Series resistance. In series resistance, one end of the resistor, first resistor is connected to the beginning end of the second resistor. Okay, I am drawing here diagram. This is R1, this is R2, this is R3, this is ammeter, this is switch, this is battery, this is plus, this is minus, plus, this is ammeter. A voltmeter V is connected across R1. This is plus, this is minus. This is the series connection. Okay, we have to connect R1, R2, R3 in series. Okay, that is first end of the R1 is connected to the second end of the R2. Okay, and second end of the R2 is connected to R3 end. In this way we can connect series resistances. Okay, then we know that according to Ohm's law, we know Ohm's law, V equal to I into R. We have to apply this in this circuit. Current flowing through the in this circuit, that is I. Mark it as I, and voltage across C and D. This is C point and this is D point. Voltage across C and D point equal to V. This is V. Voltage across these three resistances is equal to V. Current flowing through circuit equal to I. Okay, we know that this voltage across R1 plus R1, R2, R3 equal to V. Therefore, V equal to voltage across R1. Voltage across R1, V1, plus voltage across R2 equal to V2, and voltage across R3 equal to V3. Okay, up to this. Then we have to calculate V1, V2 and V3, but we using Ohm's law. Using Ohm's law. By using Ohm's law, V equal to IR. We know it. Okay, V equal to IR. IR, yes, is the series resistance. Equivalent series resistance is RS. V equal to I into RS. Therefore, V1 equal to IR1. V2 equal to IR2. And V3 equal to IR3. Okay, got it up to this? We have calculated, we know that this is equation 1. Put it at equation 1. We know that V equal to V1 plus V2 plus V3. Okay, then we have to calculate value of V1, V2 and V3. We know that we have also know that V equal to I into RS. Okay, substitute this value, put these values in equation 1. Put these values in equation 1. What we get? That is V equal to IRS. IRS equal to IR1 plus IR2 plus IR3. Okay. IRS equal to IR1 plus IR2 plus IR3. Taking I common, IRS equal to I common, R1 plus R2 plus R3. Cancelling I from both the sides. I is common to both the sides, therefore cancel it. Cancel it like this. Therefore RS equal to R1 plus R2 plus R3. Got rid of this? Got it? RS means equivalent resistance. Therefore equivalent resistance equal to sum of resistances connected in series. Connected in series. Okay. We have calculated here equivalent resistance when these resistances are connected in series. We have calculated equivalent. This is the formula. This is equation 2. This is main formula. RS, yes, for series. RS is equal to R1 plus R2 plus R3 when these resistances connected in series. Okay. I have to explain some problem based on this. First problem, calculate, first given is R1 is equal to 5 ohm, R2 is equal to 3 ohm and R3 is equal to 4 ohm. It is given. Then calculate RES, that is series resistance. We have to calculate here RES. What is the formula for calculation of equivalent resistance when equivalent resistance is connected in series? Who will tell me the formula? I have explained here, but you have to tell me what is the formula. RES is equal to R1 plus R2 plus R3. Okay, got it? This is the main formula. Then substitute the value of R1, R2, R3 and calculate the series resistance. RES is equal to 5 ohm plus 3 ohm plus 4 ohm. Calculate this. 5 plus 3, 8. 8 plus 4, 12. Answer is 12 ohm. Got it up to this? Then I will take second problem. Second problem is we have to calculate total resistances. 1 minute. Given is we have to calculate equivalent resistance. So given R1 equal to 16 ohm and R2 equal to 14 ohm. Okay. Then voltage across resistances R1 and R2 equal to 18 ohm. 18 volt. Okay. We have to calculate equivalent resistance and current and voltage across each resistance. Okay. First step, we can calculate equivalent resistance. These resistances are connected in series. Okay. Then what is formula to calculate equivalent resistance? Rs is equal to R1 plus R2. What is the value of R1? 16 ohm. Okay. And R2 is equal to 14 ohm. Calculate it. 6 plus 14, 30 ohm. Okay. Got it up to this? Equivalent resistance is 30 ohm. Then we have to calculate current in the circuit, that is I. Therefore I equal to V by R, Ohm's law. What is the value of V? 18 upon equivalent resistance Rs. Take Rs here. I is equal to V upon Rs. 18 upon 30 ohm. Sorry, ampere. We can calculate it as 18 upon 30 ampere. Then we have to calculate current. Then voltage across this resistance. We have to calculate V1. V1 equal to I into R1 equal to I is 18 upon 30 into R1 means 16. Okay, calculate it. 15, 8, 18 into 8. 8 8 is 64. Take 4 here. 8 1 is 8 plus 6. 14, 15. That is 144 upon 15 ohm. V2 equal to I into R2 equal to I is 18 upon 30 into R2 is 14 ohm. 15. 2 15s are 2 7s are. Then 18 into 7 is 8 7s are 56. 7 1s are 7. 7 plus 5. 126 upon 15 ohm. 15 volt. Okay, got it up to this. These are problem based on series resistances. Then we will see parallel resistances. We will see problem based. We will see parallel connections of resistances. Do you know parallel connection? You don't know. I am telling you. Parallel means having same distance, equidistance. Okay, we have to arrange these resistances. This is R1, this is R2, and this is R3. Okay, this is point C and D. Take current through it. This is voltage, plus minus. This is ammeter, plus minus. Switch, and this is battery. Okay, this is parallel connection. Means in parallel connection, one end of all the resistances connected to a single point, and second end of the resistor, all the resistor connected to the next point. Means all these are called, these resistances are connected in parallel connection. Okay. Therefore, we have the voltage across these resistances. Voltage across these resistances are same. Voltage across all three resistances are same, and current is not same. This is I1, I2, and I3. Okay. Then we know that this current is divided in three resistances. Therefore, we can take, this is parallel connections. First, we have to see parallel connection. This current is I is equal to, total current is I. Total current is I. I get divided into I1 plus I2 plus I3. I1 is the current through R1, I2 is the current through R2, and I3 is the current through R3. Okay. But according to, this is equation 1. According to Ohm's law, according to Ohm's law, I equal to V by R. Therefore, I equal to V by RES. RP. Parallel for P. T for parallel. I equal to V upon RP. Therefore, we can calculate I1, I2 and I3. I1 equal to, what is the value of I1 then? V upon R1. R2, I1. I2 equal to V upon R2. And I3 equal to V upon R3. Substitute this value in equation 1. Put in equation 1. Okay. I means V by RP. Write down this. V upon RP equal to V upon R1. Put I1 equal to V upon R1. I2 equal to V upon R2. And I3 equal to V upon R3. Okay. Then take V common from both the side. V upon RP equal to V common 1 upon R1 plus 1 upon R2 plus 1 upon R3. Got it? Take V common from both the side and cancel it. Therefore, 1 upon RP equal to 1 upon R1 plus 1 upon R2 plus 1 upon R3. This is parallel connection resistance, equivalent resistance. Then what is the conclusion from this? What is conclusion? Equivalent resistance of parallel resistor is equal to sum of just a minute. Reciprocal of equivalent resistor is sum of reciprocal of individual resistors in parallel. Okay, this is main. That is, if we have to calculate equivalent resistance in parallel connection, then take reciprocal of equivalent resistance and then sum the reciprocal of all the individual resistance. Okay. Then we will take some problem based on it. Given is R1 is equal to 15 ohm, R2 equal to 30 ohm and R3 equal to 10 ohm. Calculate, this is first, calculate equivalent resistance. Then what is the formula for calculating equivalent resistance in parallel connection? 1 upon RP equal to 1 upon R1 plus 1 upon R2 plus 1 upon R3. Got it? We have using formula of calculating equivalent resistance of resistors connected in parallel. Okay, put this value 1 upon RP equal to 1 upon 15 plus 1 upon 30 plus 1 upon 10. Okay. Then take LCM 30 2 plus 1 plus 3, that is equal to 2 plus 1 3, 3 plus 3 6, 6 upon 30, that is 1.5, 1 by 5, not 1.5, it is 6 1 ja 6, 6 5 ja 30, that is 1 by 5 ohm. It is 1 upon Rp. Therefore Rp equal to, reciprocal it. Okay, take reciprocal of it, 5 ohm. Got it? Got it up to this? Then second problem. Second problem is R1 equal to 5 ohm, R2 equal to 30 ohm and R3 equal to 10 ohm. Write down this, and voltage across it, that is V equal to 12 volt. V equal to 12 volt. Who will tell me the answer for who will tell me the formula to calculate parallel resistance, equivalent resistance of the parallel connection? That is, who will tell me? Good. 1 upon Rp equal to 1 upon R1 plus 1 upon R2 plus 1 upon R3. 1 upon Rp equal to 1 upon 5u plus 1 upon 30 plus 1 upon 10. Take LCM of this. LCM will be 30. 5 6 is 30. Therefore, multiply numerator and denominator by 6. That is 6. Then 1 by 30 as it is. And we have multiplied 10 by 3 to get 30. Therefore, numerator will be also multiplied by 3. 6 plus 1, 7. 7 plus 3, 10. 10 by 30 equal to 10 3 is 1 by 3 ohm. 1 upon, it is not ohm, it is mho. 1 upon Rp. Therefore, reciprocal it, Rp equal to 3 ohm. Rp equal to 3 ohm. Then we can calculate current also. Current through the circuit. I1, I2, I3. We can calculate I1, I2, I3. I1 equal to, what is the formula? V by R1. I1 equal to V by R1. V by R1 equal to V 12 volt. 12 volt divided by R1 is 5. 12 by 5. I2 equal to V upon R2. Equal to V is given as 12 volt upon R2 equal to 30. 12 by 30 ohm. And I3 equal to V upon R3 equal to V upon R3 means 12 by 10 ohm. This is the answer. Then we can calculate. Then we will see difference between parallel connection, series connection and parallel connection. What is the difference between it? I am drawing here. This is parallel connection diagram. This is series connection. Current is same. R1, R2 and R3. Okay. What is the difference between it? This is the summary. Okay. Difference between it is in series connection, I is common for all the three resistances, and in this parallel connection there is no common I. Okay. There are different I. that is different current flowing through this circuit. Okay, and voltage across in series connection, voltage across all three equivalent all three series resistances will be different. Individual voltage across all resistances will be different, and this parallel connection is used for increasing the resistance in the circuit, and this parallel connection used for decreasing the connection resistance in the circuit. This is the main difference. Okay, then I am giving you homework. Homework is we have to draw circuit diagram of series and parallel connection. If there are n number of resistances, okay, you have to draw diagram for n resistances. Okay, thank you very much.